So Jodha Palace, how many palace has been made? Panch Mahal. Okay, and all are very khas. Diwane, and seen there is a Buland Darwaza. And the Panch Mahal is a 5-story structure, and I said that each story is small in size as it ascends in height. The last one being the only in a kiosk, very small. And the largest of this secular structure who is Jodha Bai. So आप लोग लिस्ट कर सकते हैं क्या क्या चीज है यहाँ पर. What are the things are there in the architecture in the Akbar? Agra Fort. And what is an Agra Fort? Which stone has been utilized? Red sandstone. Understood? And the Agra Fort has been made with the help of which two fusion? Gujarat and within the Agra Fort, which important architectural development? Jahangir Palace. Understood? Now, Fatehpur Sikri. What is there Fatehpur Sikri? Yes, tell me what is there? Fatehpur Sikri में क्या है? Jami Masjid and Sheikh Salim Chishti. These are the two important architectures. Yes, and Jami Masjid in large form where it is in Delhi nearby Jama Masjid. Jami Masjid. And thereafter we have seen Jodha Bai Palace, Panch Mahal. Yes, Panch Mahal, Diwane Khas, and then Buland Darwaza. And Buland Darwaza किसके लिए बनाया गया? Just tell me. Understood? The Buland Darwaza was built to commemorate Akbar's conquest in the Gujarat in 1573 and built of red sandstone and marble. It is considered the perfect architectural achievement in the whole of India. Just मैं आप लोगों से ऐसे ही यूज कर रहा हूँ. मार्बल, वाइट मार्बल, दो जगह पे आप देखेंगे मार्बल. एंड देन मार्बल आफ्टर द पीरियड इन द इन दिस there is a school Amravati. Can you remember? And after Jahan, marble. Understood it? And before it was like, yes, tell me. Red sandstones and other stones are there. Understood it? So I said, which are the two? After Jahangir, I said that he was in a P for painting, P for Pietra Dura, which I said that P for painting, P for painting के लिए famous है, music के लिए famous है. Jahangir, you know that he has so many love stories are there. And then I said that painting Pietra Dura. Pietra Dura में क्या होता था? There is an what होते थे, but in the rock, what they started doing, some precious gems and stones, it has been what engraved in the what is in a wall and here and there. So this architectural development that he was also Jahangir in which period? Yes, जब जहांगीर को कोई गाना नहीं सुनाता था, पेंटिंग नहीं दिखाता था, उसको पिटने लगता था द्वार पे. So I like Pietra, मतलब on the gate you started beating someone, it is known as a Pietra Dura. So मैं तो ऐसे ही सारी चीजें याद रखता हूँ. आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा how and the things can be easy, very easy to what is it? So Buland Darwaza, and then I said that built of red sandstone and marble, it is considered a perfect architectural achievement in the whole of India. Which one? Buland Darwaza. The loftiness of the structure is enhanced by the flight of steps on the outside. Entrance has been formed by the piercing hues and central arch, which is crowned by an array of domed kiosk. Finally, very small. Next one, who is Jahangir. So हम लोगों ने first कौन सा किया? बाबर. And then Babarnama से हमें क्या पता चला? Through the Babarnama we came to know about there is some mosque is at the Panipat, Sambhal and Ayodhya. Panipat, Sambhal and Ayodhya. Understood? And then the Babar has I said that क्या बनाया था also? किसने बनाया था? और कुछ हुमायूं ने बनाया था. दिन पना. And thereafter we have seen coming of Humayun, and the Humayun के बाद what we have seen, tell me first. Humayun ने क्या था? What he has made? First बोलो यार, city of दिन पना. सभी तरफ तो भाग रहा था. He has not been able to what is do something like this. And then I said that दिन पना city क्या था? It has been, and then I said that थोड़ा सा uplifted. It is in some kind of uplifted platform पे बनाया हुआ था. That is after that coming of Suri, and the Suri dynasty ने क्या बनाया? पुराना किला. And within the पुराना किला, what is there? शेरशाह सूरी ने किलाई खुना मस्जिद, किलाई खुना मस्जिद. कैन यू रिमेम्बर? हमने बोला था शेर ने क्या क्या करता है, उसके अंदर दे विल खून करेगा. I said that खून means blood, and किलाई खुना मस्जिद. And thereafter we have seen Shersha Suri has it is one of the start of Lodi style. Which style? The Wathar Afghans. And then the famous tomb, it is in the Sasaram. In which region? Sasaram, in the in between that pond, within the tank. The famous, I said that tomb has been formed by it. And then I said that any other thing that the Shersha Suri has done? GT road. Yes. Grand Trunk road that has been made. But thereafter we have seen, after the Shersha, there is a coming of Akbar. In the Akbar period, what we have seen, yes, tell me? Agra Fort. And the Agra Fort, I said that it is in a famous, it is in a Bengal and Gujarat, and they have two gates. One is the North Delhi gate, in the south there is a Hathi Fort. And within the Agra Fort we have been able to see, yes, there is a Jahangir Mahal. And Fatehpur Sikri nearby the west of Agra. And then Fatehpur Sikri, in this one there is a which? Jami Masjid and Sheikh. Yes. Yes, Salim. Salim कौन है? Who is Salim? उन्हीं का नाम, लेकिन वो सलीम चिश्ती की बात कर रहे हैं. Sheikh Salim Chishti. And thereafter I talked about, I said that there is a secular structures are there. Which are the secular structure? Jodhabai Palace and the largest of all. And then I said that there is a Panch Mahal, Diwan Khas and Buland Darwaja. And then Buland Darwaja, it is in a commemoration of winning the Gujarat in 1573. Understood it? And then we have to see, I said that Jahangir has he get married with Noor Jahan. किसके साथ हुआ था इसकी शादी? Noor Jahan, and it was so many other wives are also there, but the famous one is which one? Noor Jahan. I said that Salim. I said that कहाँ पे है? चलो. So I said that हमने क्या बोला? जहांगीर है ना? I said that with the advent of Jahangir and marble and some new curves, foliated is there, but strong foliated curves, and double dome become very common. Double dome has been started by Lodi, and the inlaid patterns in colored stone become the dominated decorative form. Understood? So starting the use of marble, and then arch is there, double dome, and then क्योंकि दो वाइफ थी तो डबल डोम तो होगा ही होगा. And then there is I said Pietra Dura. Understood? Now I said that after the Jahangir's architecture में, and then in the Sikandra he has made an Akbar mausoleum. What he has made? Father के बाद जाने के बाद Akbar's mausoleum, and it was planned by Akbar and completed by his son Jahangir. It was designed on the model of Buddhist Vihara. याद रहेगा आपको लाइफ में? Yes, सिकंदरा. ये क्या है? Akbar's mausoleum. And on which style? Buddhist Vihara. Understood it? And ऐसा होना भी चाहिए for this kind of person. It is a salutable person that who should be all saluted, the Akbar. And it is located in the center of the garden and has 5 stories, and every story gradually diminishing in the scale and the building ascends in the height. That is Jahangir's architecture has been made for the Akbar's mausoleum in Sikandra. Understood it? So we have seen like Jahangir ne kya started? He has done more in the more in paintings rather than architecture. But he has started with the marble use started coming, and arch started, continued, double dome come, and then Dwar pe Pitra Dora. And thereafter we have seen, I said, examples of Jahangir, Akbar's mausoleum, understood, and on which Buddhist Vihara. Now his father-in-law. फादर का बना दिया, साथ में किसका बना रहे हो? फादर इन लॉ, ससुर जी। ससुर जी को देखोगे ऐसे दैट इट वाज इन 1622 इस्मादुद्दौला। धीरे धीरे आपने देखा देयर इज एन स्टार्टेड व्हाट इज एन यूजिंग ऑफ व्हाट इज एन मार्बल अपने आप में क्या है? इट इज एन काइंड ऑफ चेंज। इट इज ए स्क्वायर स्ट्रक्चर raised on a low platform with the 4 octagonal minarets at each corner and dome roof. Dome roof, 4 minarets, and then I said that squares. So how it has been formed is Ihmaduddaulah, the what is the father of Noor Jahan, and how it has been made? Tell me first. There is a square base, low platform. Platform base is what? High. Platform base is low, and then after I said that there is a square, and then there is a 4 minarets, and then there is I said that dome. And I said that the main tomb is built in the white marble. Besides marble, some other precious that is known as a Pietra. Which I said that Pietra Dura. Understood? But it is not necessary that it will ask for Ihmaduddaulah. They will not ask for Ihmaduddaulah, but this will be asked who has started Pietra Dura and what is Pietra Dura. Understood it? So in the Jahangir period, what is the I said that Pietra Dura started. Next, in the world famous for architecture. Yes. So Jami Masjid who has made? Yes, Akbar. And Jama Masjid, Shahjahan. Delhi Fort. यहाँ पे जामा मस्जिद और सामने में क्या है? In front of it Delhi Fort, and then famous, you know that, which one? Taj Mahal. And how many years it has taken? 22 years. How many years for the Taj Mahal formation and Red Fort formation? 10 years. I said that his buildings, Shahjahan, were characterized by femininity, grace and elegance. And the girls want this. And then femininity, grace and elegance. And mosque building reached its climax during his reign. तो इसके बाद कोई climax नहीं है of architecture, especially for dome. And he made what? Red Fort in Delhi from the 1639 to 1648. And it is in a red sandstone fort, and it is located on the bank of river Jamuna. And it took nearly 9 years, but 10 years to complete. 1639 to 48 means 10 years. And it is a regular rectangle with 2 gateways, Delhi and Lahore gates. So which are the 2 gates are there in the Red Fort? Delhi gate and एक लाहौर के लिए जा रहा था और एक दिल्ली के लिए. So always we are. So the gates are flanked by octagonal towers. आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पर towers बने हुए, and these are octagonal towers. Some of the beautiful buildings of this is the Diwan-e-Aam, where it is a meet with the people, and Diwan-e-Khas. You must be knowing what is the meaning of this. And then the Rang Mahal. So which are the 3 important in the Red Fort? Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas, and Rang Mahal. And all these buildings have floral decoration on the walls. The walls of Diwan-e-Khas have famous verses. If there is a paradise on the earth, it is here. किस पे लिखा हुआ था? Diwan-e-Khas. If there is a paradise on earth, it is here. Amir Khusro. Understood it? So I said that what we have seen in the Jahangir. Yes, tell me. अभी तक क्या देखा? Red Fort and Taj Mahal. And Red Fort में हमने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me. Red Fort is formed in the 10 years, 1639 to 1648, and then it has been made with the red sandstone, and it has been surrounded by some minars, and it is octagonal minars. And within this great fort, what is there? Yes, Diwan-e Khas, Diwan-e Aam, and Rang Mahal. And Diwan-e Khas पे क्या लिखा हुआ था? Yes, tell me. If there is a paradise on earth, it is here. Understood? And then Jama Masjid. I said that. And it is an extended and larger version of Jami Masjid. Fatehpur Sikri mein what is there? Jami Masjid. And it is the largest building of its kind in India. And it is built on raised platforms surrounded by arcades. Very highly raised. Then they have been left open on both the sides. It is approached by a flight of steps from the side, while 3 bulbous domes in the white marble rise. Yes, but when you are writing for me, it will be utilized. And then I said that next one, I said that Taj Mahal. Which one I said that? Taj Mahal. I said that it is in the name of Mumtaz Mahal. It is a great ideal conception which belongs to more to the sculpture than to what is it? That has been, everything has been carved. The way it has been, everything has been carved. What is in sculpture rather than the picture. That is in architecture. Se zyada log kya kehte hain foreigners? Sculpture. And then I said that it is built on the banks of the river Yamuna. I said that Isha Khan Effendi. And then I said it is encircled by the beautiful garden and all. And then the Taj Mahal is a square building with marble minaret of 4 stories standing on the 4 sides. And then the surface of the wall is built beautifully decorated, and the ceiling of the main hall is semi-circular vault. Or isi mein koi dikkat hai. That is a problem get affected when the first this mausoleum has been found for the ye kya tha jahan pe Noor, what is the name? Mumtaz Mahal, what is the name? It has been buried. But when he died, he has been also buried. And therefore, this wall, the structure has been little get defected. So, Taj Mahal has been defected by whom? Noor, there is a name, Mumtaz Mahal or Shahjahan. So, I said that this is about, I said, and this mein marble Sadatar aaya jo Jodhpur Markana. Jodhpur Markana. So, we have been able to see these are the, I said, things which has been made by whom? Tell me first. Kaun sa? Jama Masjid, Agra Fort, and which one I said? Sorry, Agra Fort keh raha hu. Jama Masjid, Red Fort, and Taj Mahal. And Red Fort, I said that minarets are there, all are side, and then it is an octagonal minarets. And what is there in the Red Fort? Diwan-e